The compact Floser potting machine accommodates pots ranging in diameter from 8.5 centimeters to 30 centimeters. The potting machine is fully mechanical and powered by a 400 volts power supply. To set up the machine, start by adjusting the pot feeder. Using the crank, slide the chute up to the stack of pots. Then, adjust the lower arm so that the lower arm holds the pot under the bottom edge, and the upper arm is positioned between the top edges of the first and second pots. Once the pot feeder is set up, you can check its operation using the side buttons. The next step is to set the table. After unlocking the pressure knobs, you can freely adjust the spacing and height of the forks. The height of the railing surrounding the table is adjusted to the height of the flower pot. Once the table is set, you can lower the pot feeder to working height. Next, adjust the drilling rig so that the drill bit is centered in the pot. Once centered, use the crank to set the drilling depth. The last element of setting up the turntable is to adjust the height of the brush that scrapes off excess peat. Once the potting machine is set up, we can move on to the top pot feeder. We start the adjustment by moving the upper feeder towards the stack of pots. Then we move the guide to the stack of pots. Then we set the rails so that they guide the stacks to the discharge chute. The upper feeder has a sensor that controls the number of pots in the chute. Below there is an electric actuator that stabilizes the stack of pots while the upper feeder is operating. The potting machine's operating speed can be easily adjusted using potentiometers on the control panel. The machine has a separate potentiometer for regulating the table speed and for regulating the speed of the pot collection conveyor belt. Once the machine is adjusted, we can start feeding the peat. The peat filling capacity can be adjusted using the variator knob. The machine works with a variety of pots, from small flower pots through nursery pots of different diameters, up to 10-liter pots, 30 centimeters in diameter. We have a wide selection of drills for every application. The machine also handles square pots and bowls for flowers, and also hanging flower pots.